So, Satra Satri Hakol, Kalidia video to Tumalkok, arithmetic progression or n-term. N-term pot to Ami Kanake Uliabolage, derivation Kuribolage, after application key. Tarbika discuss Kurisilo. So, Tami n-term pot, that is n-term. To use Kuri, formula use Kuri Ami at arithmetic progression or any term. Suppose 100 term, 1 lakh term, 2000 term বা তোমাৰ 500 term কি দৰে উলিয়াব পাৰি এটা ফৰ্মুলা ইউজ কৰি হেতু n টাৰ্মৰ ফৰ্মুলা আছিল যেটো কি আছিল a n = a + n - 1 * d হেতু অলৰেডি পাইছা সো আজি আমি নেক্সট যেটো ফৰ্মুলা ইয়াত তিনি চাৰিটা ফৰ্মুলা ইউজ হয় নেক্সট ফৰ্মুলাটো আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম হেতু হৈছে sum of n terms of an AP. Sum of n terms of an AP. Sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. So here mane suppose eta series or arithmetic progression or tomar 100 term lage sum to kiman hobo pare. But suppose 50 term lage 50 term bodo lage tomar sum to kiman hobo pare. Tar tomar sum to jogfol to kiman hobo pare. Tar eta direct formula derive koribo goi asu. So direct formula to use kori tumi eta arithmetic progression or je kono number term lage tumi sum to uliaba para tar jogfol to uliaba para like a formula tat tumi data put kori dile tar result to ulai jabo so sum of n terms of an AP for any progression the sum of n terms can be easily calculated for an AP sum of first n terms can be calculated if the first term and the total terms are known. The formula of the arithmetic progression is explained below. So S or formula to ki hoy to sum of n terms of an AP n/2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Etu abi jitu formula kotha et kobo goi asu etu formula n/2 within bracket twice a plus n minus 1 into d. At n means j number podologe uliabo goise n term. I mean, n term like a sum to liaise here n to n/2. A means first term, d means common difference. Derivation to kora ase, tomaloke kitaboto ase, any bookot paba. Ekhini tomaloke nije practice kori derivation to koribo saba kan derivation korile only formula to monot thakile it's like a root learning hoboge. Application khini pariba kin core pra hisa formula to jonar provision. Moi tomaloke blackboard class hoata to details dekhalo heten kinu yat toma already kora ase. Already yet kora ase he mede proof to sabo para just my line by line korisu tomalke nije ekhini pohi saba ar kori saba so yar mate jeto mane step khini ase ki consider the AP consists of n terms eta AP hole ki hobo a plus d a plus twice d like dot 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 a plus n minus 1 into d eto simple kotha first term is second term plus d a plus d third term a plus twice d sum of the first term data ki hobo a plus d a plus twice d dot 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 a plus n minus 1 into d a plus n minus 1 into d last term so writing the terms in a reverse order ami jodi a term khini ulta ke likho reverse order likho then a plus n minus 1 into d like this last term will be a first ekhini eta order likhilo or reverse order ekhini likhilo in both the cases a to sum so it is also s suppose it is denoted by s and it is also by s so adding both the equation s plus s duita ami duita side add korisu left hand side plus left hand side twice s right hand side plus right hand side ami add korile eta simplify kori eta ami hojai likhisu arrangement kori likhile ami eneko pam twice a plus n minus 1 into d plus twice a plus n minus 1 into d ami duta pair korile twice a plus n minus 1 into d twice a plus n minus 1 into d eneko n ta term pam so n ta term pam so multiplied by n so twice s is equal to n into twice a plus n minus 1 into d so s will be n/2 into twice a plus n minus 1 into d. It will formula to here derive kori se. It is simple. It hoy gol tomalke already pariba. Ekhini ami etia gotike eto monot rakhiba. S is equal to n/2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. It is sum of the n terms of an AP. N term bodoloke yar jogfol to sum to. Here ami kisuman aru eta form ase. Sum of formula and that one is s is equal to n/2 within bracket first term plus last term. Formula of the sum of AP when first and last term are given. First and last term যদি দিয়া থাকে, then the sum can be calculated by more simple formula, n by 2 into first term plus last term. এটো ইয়াৰ পৰা ডিৰাইভ কৰিব পাৰো, ইয়াত দেখুৱা নাই তোমালোকে এটো চাব পাৰা, এটো ডিৰাইভ কৰি n by 2 a plus n minus 1 into আমি যদি twice এটো a plus a দুবাৰ লিখো, a to a plus n minus 1 into d is the n term, an that is last term, so it is n by 2 into a plus l. এটো ফর্মুলা পাই, এটো এটা ফর্ম n by 2 first term plus last term. So formula list আমি কম্প্যাক্টলি লিখিছো, এটো চ্যাপ্টার অলরেডি হৈ গৈছে, এটো চ্যাপ্টার যিখিনি ফর্মুলা আছে এই ফর্মুলাখিনি মতে ফর্মুলাখিনি আমি পালো, যিগিটা অলরেডি ডিসকাস কৰিলো. General form of an AP, a plus d, a plus twice d, a plus thrice d, like this. The n term of an AP, a plus n minus 1 into d, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of the n terms of an AP, s is equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of the n terms of an finite AP with the last term l. If the last term is given, then this form becomes n by 2 a plus l. So egita eto chapter monot rakhiboligya kotha. So ami aji sum uliaisu, sum related ketaban ami question korim, question problem solve kori dile tomlok olop easy hobo. Suppose X-Ncert book or tomorrow question number 8 to my discuss saisu. So here meta ase ki Ramkoli save rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increase her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in a end week her weekly savings becomes this, find n. মানে এটা এটো arithmetic progression increase হৈছে, first weekত 5 টকা সেভ কৰিছে আৰু পাৰ উইকত 1 টকা 75 পইচা হি বেছিকে সেভ কৰিছে, মানে নেক্সট উইকত 6 টকা 75 পইচা, নেক্সট উইকত প্লাস 1.75, নেক্সট উইকত প্লাস 1.75, লাইক দিস. সো আলটিমেটলি কি হৈছে, এটো এটা arithmetic progression আৰু এটো মতে সেভ কৰোতে কৰোতে কোনোবাটা উইকত গৈ প্লে সেভিংস টু 20.75 হৈছে, 20 টকা 75 পইচা হৈছে. গতিকে আমি উলিয়াব কৈছে কি ফাইন্ড n, মানে n উইক কে কে নম্বৰ উইকটোৰ আমি উলিয়াইছো, ঠিক আছে. গতিকে এটো ইট ইজ এ arithmetic progression and it is sn, এটো সামটো দিয়া আছে, সো আমি উলিয়াব লাগে n. So hence solution first term a is equal to 5, common difference 1.75, an ইয়াত তোমালকে সোয়া an is equal to 20.75, it actually sn হ'ব লাগে, it is sn 20.75, মানে sum to 20.75 হৈছে না, and find n উলিয়াব লাগে. So therefore আমি an এর ফর্মুলা আমি এটো an এ ইউজ কৰিছো, ইয়াত an দি প্লাই আমি ইউজ কৰিছো, an দি প্লাই ইয়াত n এর ভ্যালুটো উলিয়াইছো. So ইয়াত গটি sn এর ফর্মুলাটো ইউজ কৰিবলগীয়া হোৱা নাই, an এর ফর্মুলা দি ইউজ কৰিছে. এটো সিম্পল, n is equal to 10, so আমি n is equal to 10 পালো, n means n টার্ম পদলগে তোমার সেভিংস টু 20.75 হয়. So next question to আছে how many terms of the AP must be taken so that the sum is 78, sum to 78 দিয়া আছে. So how many terms, n to লিয়াব গৈছে, and it is a decreasing AP 24 21 18, 3 ke minus কমি গৈছে, so it is a decreasing AP, so d is minus 3, so d is minus 3 and sn is 78 and a is 24. We need to find n. We know that sn is equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Current sn is given, so we have to use the formula sn is equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. So sn is 78 and n by 2 is, we have to find n, and now put the values a and d. After simplification it is a quadratic equation, so n er value ami duta paisu 4 and 13. Both the values of n are admissible. আৰু এনেকুৱা কোৱেশ্যনত এপ্লিকেশন অফ কোৱাড্ৰেটিক ইকুৱেশ্যনো হৈছে, এটো এপ্লিকেশন অফ এৰিথমেটিক প্ৰগ্ৰেশনো হৈছে. যদি দুটা ভ্যালু থাকে আমি দুইটা ভ্যালু ভেৰিফাই কৰি চাবলগীয়া হয়, কাৰণ কোনোবাটা ভ্যালু ইয়াত এডমিসিবল নহব পাৰে, ভ্যালিড নহব পাৰে, কিন্তু both the values are admissible. ইয়াত দুইটা ভ্যালু admissible হয়, দুইটা ভ্যালু আমি গ্ৰহণ কৰিব পাৰিম 4 and 30. So the number of terms is either 4 or 13. So number of terms is either 4 and 13. So eto sn লগোৱা sn ইউজ কৰা ফ্ৰম এটা কোৱেশ্যন এটো তোমালোকে দেখিলা, সিম্পল. এটো সোয়া the first term of an AP is and last term is 0. First term and last term given, sum is 400, s to দিয়া আছে, find a number of terms and a common difference, n to উলিয়াব লাগে আৰু d উলিয়াব লাগে. First term A, last term 45. Sum of AP SN 400. So SN is 400, n by 2, A plus A means 5, L means 45. So it is given, dia ase egida first term 5 aru last term 45. Gute gita tumi dile 400 is equal to n by 2 50 pala, number of terms 16 pala. As we know, the last term of a pieces can be written as this. So ami yapra common difference to 8 by 3 palo. It common difference to yabo goise. So etu eta formula ami second formula to use kori d uliabo liya. Ya tumi first formula to use koribo provision hua nai. First formula to use korile etu eta more long legal process hobo. So yet ami second formula to use koribo liya hoise. Etu question eta ko ase ki find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP. D is given, second term is given, that is AN is given, and you have to find SN. So A22, 22th term is 149, so A22 is 49, 149. So AN is A plus N minus 100, A22 is 149, A is A, 22, 21, D is given, common difference D as a D7. So A2 ami A2 ulialo, first term ulalo, A2 yet current unknown value only 1 asile, but the other variable asile, so ami ulialo A. A2 unknown asile, tar value 2 uliale. That is first term A. And sum of n terms is given by Sn is equal to second form to use korim. Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus An. N is 22. A is first term 2 and A in last term is 149 or 166. So a chapter to already tomorrow pari better is a simple kotha. Duta chapter to arithmetic progression tinta formula use hoy. Formula I mean already An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, S is equal to N by 2 twice A plus N minus 1 into D, and N by 2 into A plus L. Eto An formula, N term formula, or to Sn by S or formula, duta form ase. So eto use kori ami ar maximum question, most of the question koribo pari, simple jekini basic question. Or more application based question tomalogo jekini higher order thinking system frame kora jay jekini question hekini tumi ekhini basic kotha use koribo lagibo ar nije jimane koriba himane tomar your skill to bahibo technique to ahibo and more tumi complicated question nije handle koribo pariba nije solve koribo pariba. Okay, so azile thank you.